Hello Pointagrammers, I'm Johnny. Today we're going through the score series limit function to set a limit on how many points you can achieve or give per day, week, or month. In this example, my mission is to let players give each other points for good deeds. In this game, there should be a limit on how many points they can give away. So let's start from the points page and then press on the big plus sign to create a new score series. Name your score series and set some preferences that you like. Notify all on points, players can only give away points to other players. And when you're done, press on limits. As you can see here, you need to save your score series before pressing on limits. So let's do that. Then press on the gear wheel to get back to the score series settings menu. When pressing on limits, a manage limits menu will appear. First option is about the limitation. Should it be based on how many points or how many times points can be given away? And then you can decide if the limits are global, meaning that there are only a certain amount of points available that are shared amongst the players. Or if the limits are based per player and not affected by other players. Limits can be set per day, week, and month. Leaving a field empty is the same as not setting a limit. If only monthly limit is set, then you can use all your points in a day because the limit is per month. As you can see, I've set a daily limit of 1 point. Let's see if I can give more than 1 point to a player. As you can see, there is a limit and I can't add more points. Now, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this tutorial and have a nice day.